Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we're back in Imo State again, and of course if we visit Imo State we have to go to the yard of the Grand Master himself, Mr. Ihedioha. So guys, I bring you this. Governor Ihedioha accuses Rochas Okorocha of massive looting in 8 years of government. So that's the headline, and we already know this anyway. Before Ihedioha even said it, everybody knows that the name Okorocha is associated with corruption, Ministry of Enjoyment and all that. So the headline again, Governor Ihedioha accuses Rochas Okorocha of massive looting in 8 years of government. So that's the headline. Now to the body of the story. Governor Ihedioha on Tuesday accused his predecessor Rochas Okorocha of massive looting and leaving Imo State with over 100 billion debt through corruption and mindless misappropriation. The Imo State governor, in his address to Imo stakeholders, alleged that his newly constituted government recently received 3 billion naira worth of garnishi orders from contractors handling fraudulently awarded contracts by Okorocha's government. Lamenting over the unsustainable debt his predecessors' alleged 8 years of misrule plunged the state into, Governor Ihedioha said, "Our interim findings shows a consistent pattern of massive looting and stripping of public assets, dismantling and cutting away of public property such as electric poles, vehicles, trucks, office equipment and furniture, etc. There were last-minute illegal sales of government property at giveaway prices and unlawful allocation of land, including backdating of certificates of occupancy. I must inform you in this regard that so far we have received over 30 billion naira worth of garnishi orders arising from several ill-conceived and fraudulent contractual agreements deliberately consummated by the past administration to destroy the future of the state and its teeming population by fettering the state in humongous debt." So this is what the state governor Ihedioha, the new state governor Ihedioha, has to say. Now you will recall that Rochas Okorocha, the Mr. Ihedioha himself, fought tooth and nail to have his relative replace him in the state house, and the reason why he wanted his relative rather to replace him in the state house was, one, because it was to keep it in the family, but more importantly he knew the level of atrocities that he has committed in that state for 8 years, just blanketly looting everything lootable, to the point of cutting away cars and furnitures, anything that was not nailed down. This guy cutted it away, because you will recall, of course, that Okorocha is really from Jos. He may be an Igbo man, but he's really a Jos man. He was born and brought up in Jos, and his loyalties, his allegiance, his family, his own mindset is in Jos. Is a Jos man who just happened to be an Igbo man who came quickly down to his home state to come and chance the Igbo guys there and loot them and take it back to Jos. So this is exactly what he has done. But the level of looting is so brutal and so callous and so crass that and is so unsustainable as well, because the state cannot bear the weight of that looting that took place over the 2 term of Rochas Okorocha. So it's of that level that the new governor, this Ihedioha character, is now having to lament, because this is not the first time that Ihedioha has come out into the public space to say that, look, what this guy did is not just, is unacceptable, and it should not be allowed to ride. What he did in that state is unacceptable, and he should not be allowed to ride. Because you will recall that Ihedioha at some point was actually with the task force going around the state to recover items looted by this guy, to the point that they actually went to Okorocha Ihedioha, his daughter's shop in a prominent site in Owerri to go and actually recover government property that were being sold in the shop. So this is the level of looting that took place. Now this guy is sitting in the Senate with his fat belly, clowning the Igbo race with his ridiculousness. The Igbos should recall him back and put a proper. The Igbos are known for being intelligent and being straight talking, and really you don't want this sort of element being your public face. So now conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Mr. Iberiberism, one of our favorites on this channel. We enjoy laughing at him, but it's not a joke to the people of Imo State after that guy has brutalized and bastardized that state. So come tell me what your thoughts are on this clownish guy that's found himself in the Senate. He's found his way to the Senate, obviously to go and rival Dino as the clown of the class, but Dino does his with a brain, but this guy is just a clown. So now what your thoughts are is what I want to know. So come share that with me in the comment section. But before you come share that with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.